He survived a lynch mob at 14. Then he crossed an ocean and learned to fly. Eugene Bullard grew up in Georgia at a time when black men were being killed in the streets. He ran. He made it to France. And when World War I broke out, he fought for his new country at Verdun, one of the bloodiest battles in human history. Then he did something no black man had ever done. He became a military pilot. France gave him medals. France gave him parades. He was celebrated across Europe as a living legend. Then the war ended and he went home to America. He volunteered for the Air Corps. They turned him away because of his race. The man France called a hero spent years working as an elevator operator in New York City. 2 countries, the same man. 2 completely different answers to the same question. Does this life matter? France said yes. His name was Eugene Bullard. History's footnotes. The people, the textbooks left out. Follow for more forgotten stories that changed history.